Today I'm bringing you a home that feels like a dream come true. Tucked away in Clemmons, North Carolina, this isn't just a house, it's your next paradise. Set on nearly an acre, with lake views, lush gardens, and a majestic tree that greets you right at the entrance. Welcome to 4248 Lake Cliff Drive. Inside, you'll find hardwood floors, high ceilings, and a layout full of natural light. Spacious living areas on both sides lead to a cozy, formal room with a fireplace, perfect for family moments. The kitchen is ready to inspire, with granite countertops, a large island, modern appliances, and plenty of cabinets, flowing into both casual and formal dining spaces. Upstairs, 5 bright bedrooms await. The primary suite offers garden views and a spa-style bath with a shower, tub, and dual sinks. Other rooms include generous closets, shared bathrooms, and versatile spaces for a home office or playroom. Now step outside to your private retreat. Expansive green space, tall trees, peaceful corners, and even room to add a pool. Enjoy a koi pond, screened gazebo, greenhouse, outdoor buildings, and a fun play area for kids. This is more than a home. It's privacy, space, and nature, all in one of Clemmons' most desirable locations. Come see it for yourself. Experience the lifestyle at 4248 Lake Cliff Drive.